You may have heard of the term passive income before, but I don't blame you at all as it is heavily spread out in the World Wide Web, spamming on YouTube videos, ads on websites, Facebook posts, Google banners, and many more. They lead you to think that you can make money in no time without lifting a single finger. Some people even claim that you can get your money for free without anything in return. Well, I'm gonna be straight and honest with you. The world is not all clouds and candy that you can just freely get money in as easy as 1, 2, 3 without actually doing anything. The truth is, you will always need to work on a little bit of something before you can begin to create an effective income stream. Now you might ask, am I saying that passive income is a hoax? Well, not entirely, because it is evidently widespread on the internet, and I'm even making use of it right now. With that said, in this video, I am going to show you 7 passive income ideas that will allow you to earn as much as $500 in only a span of 24 hours. But before we get right into the video, welcome to WealthMatic, your regular dose of wealth and millionaire inspiration. Here we talk about everything related to money, wealth, and success. Fast track your wealth and get more life-changing, mindset-shifting, and great content regularly. Only right here on this channel. If you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe for more money content by clicking the icon below. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you can't wait to get your hands on this method. But hold that excitement right there because I want to tell you a little something before we delve deep into the video. So just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Sure, I have immersed myself in the world of finance for quite a long time already, but still, you should take all my advice with a pinch of salt. If you happen to be experiencing some serious problems, then it's best to seek professional help from a financial expert. Anyway, passive income holds a level of truth that might only be selective to other people on the internet. You may get easily allured by the shining jewel of earning money for free once you hear it from someone online. However, I'm warning you that you should do tons of background checks and perform tons of research so that you won't fall into a trap. Going into an unknown territory might lead you to your own downfall, as you can just be led to a waste of time, money, and resources. But hey, lucky for you, you came across this video where you'll totally learn everything you need to know if you wish to venture into the world of online money making. Nobody becomes a millionaire overnight. Let's get that straight. And surely, nobody can earn money without really doing anything at all, contrary to what many people may tell you. You should know that the beauty of passive income does not solely rely on doing absolutely nothing at all. Instead, it highlights its flexibility and capability to grant you financial freedom by building a solid foundation where you can generate multiple streams of income once and then simply earn from it countless times in the duration of your whole life. And that is the essence of passive income. In light of that, here are 7 ways on how to come up with a sturdy fortification in securing your future with passive income. Number 1. Selling products online. This can actually go 2 ways. 1. Sell actual physical products, and 2. You can opt to go for products in the e-commerce setting. Selling actual products online may include pre-loved items, wholesales, and reselling. This will allow you to generate a great source of income since you can just post multiple products at the same time and just allow it to do its own magic. Sooner or later, more and more customers will grow fond of your products, which will then further lead them to actually purchasing the products. On the other hand, selling e-products entail you selling an asset or service that's purely digital. Some examples of this include online courses, e-commerce, and other virtual products. Now, if you ask me, I personally prefer selling e-products since the entire process is so easy. You just simply have to generate an original product on your own, and once it's ready, you can now go ahead and proceed to the selling proper. Number 2. The power of YouTube AdSense. There's something that I want to tell you. Making a YouTube channel actually allowed me to have a sense of financial freedom that drastically improved my quality of life. But for full disclosure, it was totally not a quick walk in the park. However, if you keep on persevering, you can build a fortress grounded on success as your earnings will continue to increase with time and effort. Your only task for this method is to come up with magnificent content that allows viewers to click and watch your video. You can follow certain popular niches online such as funny videos, tutorial videos, financial videos like this one, and many other more. Creating a YouTube channel does not entirely rely on having fancy equipment and an expensive setup. You can pull this off through using basic camera devices or even just your smartphone. You can just then use your laptop to do the edits, and before you know it, you now have a video all ready for upload. Number 3. Step into the world of affiliate marketing. This is rather simple, and if you've been an avid follower of my channel, you'll notice that I talk about this method quite a lot. Well, you can't really blame me because it's highly effective in delivering astonishing results in terms of making money online. For those of you who are not yet familiar with what affiliate marketing is, let me tell you how it operates. All you have to do is to promote a certain website, product, platform, or service offered by an application or a company. You can do this by sharing your unique affiliate link to everyone that you know, such as your friends, family, colleagues, or even strangers on the internet. Now, if you think that affiliate marketing is only for those who hold a huge influence on their own social media platforms, then you're wrong. Even as a total novice, you can pull this method off successfully given the right techniques and basis of information. With this method, everyone is on the same boat, so you essentially have nothing to worry about. Before we proceed to the next steps, let me give you the spirit of time to hit that like button if you enjoyed the content so far. And also, tell us what you think and leave a comment down below if you find this video interesting. Now enough with that, and let's get back to the video. Number 4, which is actually quite popular. Invest in stocks. Some people may be strongly against the idea of venturing into stocks, as most of them usually think it's just a big fat scam. Well, they're nothing but innocent to the wonders that stock investment can actually do for your financial situation. The potential with stocks is actually limitless because you will never know the movement of companies you're investing in. You never know. One day, you just wake up and find out that the stock exchange boomed to 300% or so. Number 5. Indulge in royalties. Income through royalties is obtained merely from other people who have used your own assets. One concrete example of this is through ebooks. You can actually make an ebook with a specific type of content that you're comfortable with. Now, before you start this method right off the bat, I want you to remember 3 things. First, you must perform all necessary research and look for factual information that you can incorporate in your ebook. Second, be sure to practice all technical skills in writing a book so that your ebook will be 100% professional. And lastly, just go outside of your comfort zone and expand yourself to become fully free in exercising absolute creative liberty. Number 6. The beauty of real estate. Properties and lots are actually one of the best ways to secure a good future. The prices of properties rarely depreciate even with the continuous onset of inflation. Quite on the contrary, the prices may even appreciate as they hold more value than yesterday. In light of this, you must begin to find appropriate properties as early as now so that you can continue to earn money passively. And finally, idea number 7. Provide crucial support to blockchain networks through cryptocurrency staking. Now, this term may be alien to you for now, but don't worry as I will try to explain it the best way I can. Crypto staking is basically where you lend your crypto assets to a certain blockchain network, and then they will use those assets in supporting their programs, launches, and activities. By doing this, these blockchain networks will then reward you by giving enormous interest to your original assets. And ultimately, the more money you can generate, the closer you are to finally achieving financial freedom. And that is basically it for this entire video. Check out other videos on my channel if you are interested in money-making content just like this one. If you have completed the video, hit the like button and tell us what you think in the comments down below. We would surely love to hear what you think, and we would highly appreciate questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post something new. And that is it for today. See you in the next video.